So Jaleo is known for its paella, which is in the pan, you know, the rice dish with different meats or seafood and vegetables. So looking here, some special rules. And of course, Chef Jose leaves a little message for everybody here. And if you can see the prices.
What's that? Oh.
So there's a pretty wide variety of large plates for two, down to small appetizers like 24-month cured Serrano ham, cured Aikenford pork sausage. They have some cheese sauces for dipping into, very famous. Meat. Looks like there is some vegetarian options as well, and salads, and then tacos. So a wide variety of options here at Jaleo by Chef. I found the new purple wall. It's the red hexagonal wall at Jaleo in Disney Springs.
You know, I just got this grilled ham and cheese sandwich at Pepe, and it's really good. There's a lot of ham in it, there's a bit of cheese, and normally it comes with mustard, but I did not get that on it. So how is it?
Well, I'm going to take a bite. This is the vegetable sandwich without the cheese, so it's vegan. The bread is very crunchy, and there's definitely some tomatoey flavor in there along with the eggplant and the spinach. So probably could use a bit more oomph, but for a sandwich it's pretty good.